In today's video, I'll be showing you how to bring back the missing camera icon on the lock screen of your Samsung Galaxy A24. So first, you have two ways you can do this. You can long press on the lock screen, and then you can use this customizable page and tap on this plus button at the bottom of the screen. So once you've tapped on that, select camera from this list of tools, and then tap on done to save your changes. So as you can see, the camera icon has returned back to the lock screen. Another way to do this is to open your phone and then go to the Settings app. In Settings, scroll down and select Lock Screen. Next, tap on this lock screen option. So you'll have two options here, lock screen and widgets. So select lock screen. And then here, you'll be brought to the customizable page again. Tap on the plus button here, then select camera, then tap on done. So as you can see, when you go back to the lock screen, the camera icon has come back again, has reappeared. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.